What are you doing, Chef?
I'm making bread stuffing for our green herbs piri piri turkey for Christmas. Buon appetito.
So this is one of the legs that you deboned the other day.
So he's got a coriander piri piri pesto. Look at that. It's been marinating.
So we're going to have 2 legs.
And 2 breasts.
And 2 breasts.
Look at that.
That's a lot of stuff for Christmas.
Look at that. Buon appetito.
Passion is cooking, signing off. So now Passion is cooking. We are going to wrap
our turkey leg.
Our turkey leg. So we debone the turkey. We've got 2 breasts.
This is the 2 legs actually.
Oh, sorry, we got 2 breasts and the 2 legs. These are the 2 legs.
And now we're gonna truss them. Voila. Look how beautiful they are.
So we just stuff them.
And now we're gonna truss them.
And this is how
we're gonna truss them.
Did you say truss?
Truss them. Truss them with a butcher twine. Eccoci qua.
Eccoci qua.
Ciao.
Ciao. So it's Passion's cooking, and we've deboned the 2 breasts and the 2 legs, and now we're stuffing. We have our stuffing recipe that was in our newsletter. So and here now we've got the breast that we're stuffing.
So still with the coriander piri piri marination, we got a sausage, leeks, and sage stuffing.
You need it for a little bit more fat for the white meat, right?
That's right. So here, remember the tenderloin we took out the last time? You want to make sure that we keep it even and seal. We cover the butterfly and we roll it. Just like that. And voila. It's a bit tedious because we marinated properly, but look at this. Look how beautiful it is. There we go. Part because this paper sticks.
So now we are going to actually wrap it. I found it interesting because our turkey was actually smaller this year.
It did last year, wasn't it?
And we actually have more meat.
Yeah.
Than we did.
So here what I did, just for flavoring. Remember when we marinate our turkey, we marinate with a little bit of thyme and some of the sage. So we're gonna do it. We're just gonna put just a little bit like that and then we're gonna truss our breast.
Perfecto.
Okay.
So we deboned, we marinated, and now we're stuffing for an easy turkey for tomorrow. For those people that love white and dark meat, separate, and you have different stuffing for each one.
And you have a great volume.
Enjoy your turkey dinner, everyone. Ciao for now. Passion is cooking. Nice and tight.
Nice and tight.
Delicious turkey breast.
So it doesn't run away. We don't want the turkey to fly away. We want it on our table tomorrow.